Hello everyone, welcome to Sci Technical Learning. So today we will demonstrate how to use WAMP server. So WAMP server is a Windows web development environment. It allows you to create web application with Apache, PHP and MySQL databases, and along with that the PHP MyAdmin will allows you to manage easily your databases. So if you want to download the WAMP server, then first go to the wampserver.com web page, and from that page just click on the download button. So once you clicked on that download button, there are two options. First option, that is for the 64-bit version, and second, that is for the 32-bit version. So how to check whether your PC is of 64-bit version or the 32-bit version? Then just go to the system property, then you can see that whether your Windows is of 64-bit version or 32-bit version. So if your PC or the window is of 64 version, then just click on the 64-bit version, and here you have to click on this particular link, that is you can download it directly. So from that page you can directly download the 64-bit version of WAMP server. So once you complete the installation of the WAMP server, here the desktop the icon will be created for the WAMP server. So here we have installed the 32-bit version of the WAMP server, then 32-bit version of the icon will be displayed over here. So first step, you have to double click on that particular icon. So double click on it on. So once you double click it on, here we can see the icon for the WAMP server will be appear over here. So just left click on it. So here we have certain types of services. You can start all the services of WAMP server, you can stop the services or restart all the services. If you want to go to the home page of the WAMP server, then just click on the local host, or you can directly write it on your web browser as well. So just write localhost and enter. So here you have the home page for the WAMP server. So here we have certain types of tools, we have the list of projects as well. So here the PHP info will provide the information about the PHP. Similarly, PHP admin, which is having the databases related to your web page as well. So here we have the projects, so list of projects. So how to add projects in WAMP server? Then first you have to go to the C drive of your system. Then inside C drive, here we have the WAMP folder. So automatically this WAMP folder will be created once you install the WAMP server. So double click it on. Now over here just move to the www folder. So here you have to place all your web applications which is related to the PHP. So for the demonstration purpose, we have used a demo folder over here, which is our project, and inside that we are having the list of files. So other files over here, that is the system files. So just you have to add your own file. So here we have used the folder demo, so that's why here we have the demo project over here. Now how to create the database inside the WAMP server? So it's a easy way. Just click on the PHP MyAdmin first. Now over here on the left side we are having the list of databases, and on the right side we are having the certain properties. Now if you want to create the database first, then just click on the database. So over here we have to write the name of database. For example, here we are writing student. So we are going to create the student database. So just click on the create button. So now student database is created over here. Now if you want to create the table inside the student database, then just click on the student first, and then on the right side we have to add the name of table. For example, I am writing student or student underscore info. So we are going to create student underscore info table, and how many columns you require? For example, I require only 3 columns or 3 attributes for the particular table. So just click on the go. So now the table is created for the particular database, that is student. So here we need to write the name of all the field. For example, first field is std underscore id. Similarly, second field std underscore name. Third field std underscore number. Okay, so that these are the field names. Now the type, which type of this field is. So for example, std id, that is student id, that is for the integers. So write student name, suppose I require varchar, so varchar over here. Similarly student number, so it is under the integer field type. Now you can set the length of that particular field. For example, I want to set length as a 10. For the name I require 20, and for the number again I require 10. Now over here, if you want to set the primary key for the any attributes, then just go over here. So here the index, so here we need to set primary over here, and student underscore id, that is primary, so just clicked on the go button. So now over here the student underscore id becomes the primary, and just clicked on the save. So now your table is created inside this student database. So table name is student underscore info, and which is having the attribute that is student id, student name, and student number. Now next one, that is SQL. So clicked on the SQL. So here we have one query like select star from student info. For example, I want to run this query, then just write the query over here and clicked on go button. So currently we does not have any values inside this student info table, so here we are not having any value. For example, if you want to add the value to the table, then clicked on the insert button. So over here we have std underscore id, student underscore name, and number. So write over here some value like 1. I'm writing the name and I'm writing the number, for example, and number, and just clicked on the go. So here we can say that one row is inserted. And what is the query for that particular row? So we have query like insert into student info, where student id, name, and numbers are there for the values 1, Sai Technical, and mobile number. Okay, so one row is already inserted, so we does not require to click on that particular go button. Okay, so again, if I want to find select star from student underscore info, and just clicked on the go button. So here now we have one row, that is id1, name, Sai Technical, and mobile number. Similarly, if I want to export my database, then just clicked on this database name, that is student over here, and just clicked on the export button. So once you clicked on the export button, here we are having the format for that particular thing. So just select SQL and clicked on go. So automatically whole database and its value will be downloaded over here. Similarly, if you want to import certain database, so directly you can import it with the help of import button. So here you need to select that particular file with the help of choose file of SQL type. So automatically database will be created from that file. Okay, so this is all about the basic informations about the WAMP server. Thank you everyone for watching this video.